Hello, my name is Victoria Padilla and I'm from Groups in 80 Days. Today I'm going to answer the questions. I eat Mexican food very often, usually every day, because it's part of my normal meals at home. My favorite food is chilaquiles. They are delicious, spicy, and full of flavor. I love that they are soft, warm, and really tasty. I usually eat breakfast around 9 o'clock. I usually eat dinner around 8:30 p.m. I drink about 1 liter of water a day. My classes start at 1 o'clock and finish 7 o'clock. My favorite subject is English because I enjoy learning new vocabulary and like practicing speaking. I have zero brothers, but I have one sister. I usually spend around 2 or 3 hours with my friends on the weekend. When is your best friend's birthday? My best friend's birthday is on December 17th.